Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Raju Pujala. In this playlist, I'm going to walk you through how to write the Excel macros, or we can also call VBA. If you are a beginner and if you are looking for the basics, this playlist really helps you. If you already know the basics and if you're looking for an advanced topics in this playlist, I'm covering everything, so it's my responsibility to take you to a level where you will become very much comfortable in terms of developing the forms or automation of forms and writing the Excel VBA end to end. Yeah. And in this video, specifically, I would like to walk you through how to enable the developer options and the few basics or the terminologies that you should know before jumping into the course. Let's jump into the spreadsheet. Yeah, we'll go over here. So this is the Excel sheet that I have created, and right now the name of the sheet is Book Two. Okay, and over here, if you would like to jump into the macros and if you'd like to write the macros, on the top you can see there is an option called View. Click on the View, and then there is an option called View Macros. So you can click on the View Macros. As of now, there are no macros over here. So for example, let's assume that if you would like to create your first macro, you can say like first macro. One thing that you should remember that you can't give any spaces while assigning macro names. So I always prefer the camel case. Like first letter is always small, and the second and the letter for the second words always starts with capitals. And click on plus over here. It will take you to a page where you can see the modules. So over here you can see here. So it automatically generated a sub and an end sub. So sub represents the starting of your macro program, and end sub represents it's the end of the program. And whatever you write over here, the code goes through goes here. So whatever it is, you can write the code in between this one, right? And on the left side, you can see this is on module one. Okay, even after you save this one, even after you share this one, then module one, it is like it is always like this. For example, if you'd like to create one more module, if you'd like to have one more module, how you can do, there's an option over here which is called insert module. Click on that, it will create one more module, which is the module two. If you'd like to have one more module, click on that, it will create one more module. In each and every module you can write multiple classes. For example, sub second macro, right? And also I can also write sub third macro, right? Like this. So you can write as many macros as you can in each and every module. I remember that there is a limit that you can't write more than 1500 lines of programming, but if you are at a stage where you are really like writing like 1500 lines of code, so basically it's the time for you to optimize the code, because 1500 lines of program basically takes lots of time to execute. So you always have to look at like how you can write a short code for the whole program, and how you can optimize the speed or increase the speed. Okay, now let's go ahead and see how we can rename this one. For example, this is a module 3. I always suggest everyone to create different modules for each and every program, so that it would be very easy. Now if you look at module 1, module 2, module 3, it really doesn't make any sense where what is the program which is inside this one. So to rename this module 3, click on this one, and there is an option here, properties window. Click on this one, you can see the properties window here. For example, if this is not there, if it is how it looks like, click on the properties window, the module 3. I would like to rename a third module. Again, you can't enter the spaces over here. Click on enter, that's it. Third module. If you'd like to this one, click on this one, second module. Again, for how you can get these properties, click on this button over here. Can, and for the module one, can do like first module. I mean, whatever the name of the program you can use. So basically, it really helps you to quickly understand what exactly this module states. Okay, and if in case if you would like to close all these modules, click on here and click on remove third module. And whenever you are about to remove a module, it will ask you whether you want to export this one. Why this export is there? So if you click on right click over here, you can see insert as well. So you can export a module from this workbook, and then if you're having where it contains the program. And if you have another Excel sheet and if you'd like to import that one, actually you can quickly do that by using this export and import options, export file and import file. So right now I'm deleting this one, remove third module, remove second module, remove. And when okay, this is the first module. There is something I would like to tell you at this moment. This is something that we are going to use again and again whenever we're writing the code. So while you're writing the code, you would like to know how the code's behavior, what it is returning, the value and everything. For that, activate this immediate window over here. So whatever you write over here, it will display here. For example, if you sum two values, instead of printing it on the cell somewhere here, actually you can print here and you can see, oh, this is how it is performing. This is the behavior of my code. And once everything is done, then you can start showing those values in the Excel sheet as well. So this is called immediate window, which is really helpful. Now I'm deleting this module as well. Remove first module. I don't want this one. No. Cool. Let's close this one. Now, as of now, we have used the view tab and click on view macros for the macros. But if in case, if you would like to have a dedicated tab, which we call developer tab, to see all the list of macros. So what you can do, if you are using a MacBook, click on Excel, preferences, and click on ribbon and toolbar. And on the right side, you can see this developer option. Just enable that and click on save. And now close this one. Now you can see the developer tab, and from here you can click on Visual Basic. It will take you to the page and click create a module and start working on the module. Let's close this one. But if in case if you are using the Windows, which I prefer mostly, so these are the options. So for the Windows, click on the file tab, which you usually see over here. That's the only difference between Windows and the MacBook, and the rest coding and everything it remains same. Click on the file tab and click on options and click on customize ribbon. So this is the options. Click on customize ribbon over here, and here over here. So there is like add and remove. Okay, just select the add and no, select the developer tab checkbox. Just click this one. That's it, and click OK. So once you do this one, you will quickly see the developer tab over here. And again, from here, click on the Visual Basic, it will take you to the page. And one more thing. So this entire workbook, I mean, this entire sheet, book two, I'm going to call this as a workbook. So whenever I say like a workbook, it is going to be the entire total Excel where it has sheets, sheet one, sheet two, sheet three. And if I have to specifically call a sheet one and sheet two, I'm going to call as a sheet tab or a worksheet. So these are all the basics or the terminologies that you should be remembering before jumping into the other videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please do watch the rest of the videos. I have covered all the basics which are required in the Microsoft Excel to get into a stage where you can write VBA on your own. If you are using Google Sheets, I have also created a playlist which walks you through how to write the macros in the Google Sheets. And if you are looking for a data analysis part, I have created a playlist of 93 videos which covers the end to end of BigQuery SQL. Please do watch those videos as well. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.